Hello. I present you the solution for a fast and efficient realization of implementation projects in the pharmaceutical industry. This solution offers a win-win situation for the service provider of systems in the pharmaceutical sector as well as for the pharmaceutical customer. The Deeebox Pharma Implementation Interface offers a fast adaptation of systems in the pharmaceutical environment. System providers implement their systems at the pharmaceutical customer. After design qualification, installation qualification, operational qualification, performance qualification, implementation is completed by the system provider. On the pharmacy customer side, however, the implementation is not complete. The implementation process includes many other points such as change management, presentation of new processes in which the new system is integrated, creation of SOPs and onboarding processes. Apart from free capacities, this also requires in-depth knowledge of the implemented system and also knowledge of requirements in the pharmaceutical industry. Deeebox is the interface between system providers and pharmaceutical customers. Like an interpreter who speaks the language of both parties and implements the pharmaceutical requirements. With the Pharma Implementation Interface, Deeebox ensures that new systems are implemented and go live quickly and efficiently. Welcome to Deeebox.